Ich liebe dich.
Te amo.
मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ.
أحبك أو for girls أحبك.
Я тебе кохаю.
Love you. Whoops, did he hear it?
And love is understood in different ways.
Words matter, but the actions are like more important.
Not only on Valentine's Day, every day.
Das reicht nicht.
Cut that out, that one.
Very important to say each other I love you, but not only on Valentine's Day, every day.
It's important because that is the human language. That's how we use words, and everybody likes to hear it, I think. And it's a different level of love when you tell it to your partner.
For me, it's not necessary that they tell them I love you. I think there's like a lot of ways to show someone that you love them.
Also manchmal sagt man nicht nur mit Worten, ich liebe dich, sondern auch so mit Taten, so jeden Tag, dass man zeigt, ich habe dir leckeren Kaffee gekocht oder Frühstück oder ich habe für dich gesorgt, sozusagen.
Ich glaube, ich habe es gar nicht in Worte gefasst, aber sie hat es dann gemerkt.
Women are more expressive with their words, especially with love.
A lot of girls, women, they feel empty. They need these girls. They need these emotions from love, from words.
I prefer people who show it. Like, I don't care if they tell me like I love you all the time. I prefer when people show me with their actions that they love me.
Say I love you.
Ich liebe dich.
If you love somebody, would you like to say ich liebe dich oder I love you?
Ich liebe dich.
Warum?
Because it's a little bit strange when I say it in another language.
Für mich, es war ein sehr spezielles Moment, als ich dieser Ausdruck Te amo, das ist auch auf meine Sprache, Te amo gesagt habe, weil ich habe nie mehr das gesagt. So, ja, es war ein spezielles Moment für mich.
I think a simple I love you would do. I also think if you just send hearts, that's nice. But I think just hearing I love you is very meaningful. You know, it's very powerful.
Yeah, it's really important for everyone. You know, when somebody's there with you for lifetime. Of course, there will be so much fun talk, and life gets much more easier.
There are like different ways of showing love, and maybe if I see that they do something for me that actually is showing to me that they love me, but still like the words, they are like something more than just.
If you do something, it's also important, but words it's important too because you don't understand like at all what some person think about you and stuff.
Auf Englisch, ich denke, dass nur diese Ausdrücke es gibt. Aber auf Spanisch gibt es diese zwei Möglichkeiten. Vielleicht du kannst sagen, I love you, that means te quiero. Aber das bedeutet, dass du nur zu einer Familie sagen kannst, oder deinem Vater oder deiner Mutter oder deiner Großmutter. Aber es ist sehr speziell, sehr speziell.
I told him I liked him, but I didn't tell him like I love you or something like that. So yeah. Yeah, for me he was like my first love, and he did many things that showed that he cared about me. So for me that's like really important.
Also für mich als Frau ist vielleicht für viele Frauen wichtig, dass man auch sagt, dass ich dich liebe. Ne?
For men?
Ja, ich denke auch, dass es wichtig ist, dass es deutlich gesagt wird. Mhm.
Please subscribe to Diwan Studios.